So today is 6 June 2023 and I'm reviewing the charts post market. So before we go ahead, let me just make this full screen. Before we go ahead, let us check what we had analyzed and what is the market showing us. So on the 30th May, we had calculated this range and we had expected that Nifty and Bank Nifty, both the indices, may remain sideways for a while. So it's second week going on and we are this range is being respected very well, and same is the case with Bank Nifty. But today I have few other observations which I feel I would like to share. Firstly, the basis of the view of sideways market was purely based on this wide weekly CPR. So last week we had this wide weekly CPR and we had registered this high, and that is why I had a expectation that we will see the sideways movement up till this mark. So this weekly CPR will act as a support. That was my expectation was, and that is what precisely has happened. But what has happened now is we have got a new weekly CPR. Okay, so this week is currently ongoing, and if you notice, this week's CPR is comparatively narrow as compared to this. Also, overall, in though the Nifty is still range bound, but you will see the action is happening in the upper side of the box. So I would like to review my analysis at this point of time. What I will do is, I feel now this base is a good support, so we can take this support line little above. So this low is around 18,464. So what we will do, we will revise this supports, and now 18,400 levels become the important support. So let me just mark 18,400 as important support. Okay, yeah. So till the time prices are above this, we can say the action or the price or the market can be sideways to bullish. Okay, still there is no sign of weakness. Also, I am going to change this box. I'm making it little narrow, and as we are above this weekly CPR and currently we are above it, trading on the upper border of this box, so there is a great possibility that we may remain in the upper border, and soon if it breaks out, then we may even say this next bullish target. So let us see how it pans. So that is the change which I would like to make uh, for the Nifty. So the range, the new range which I have marked is 18,400 to 18,650. Only if we break above this level, then this next target of 18,760 is possible. Now let us see in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also respected the box so very well. It is still consolidating and right now at the middle of the box. As compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is little weaker. Nifty is definitely the stronger currently. So now what we will do, let us revise this support as well. So 43,400 was a great support. Now the support needs to be shifted to this levels. So 43,800, let me rename this. So 43,800 remains the important supports now. So as long as we are trading above this and we are trading above weekly CPR, the view should be bullish to sideways. But at this point, let us not forget that we are probably into the distribution phase. So even the breakout is happening, we cannot be aggressively bullish. That is what my view is, and why I am feeling so, I will explain in the later videos. But currently the needed changes are to be done. So new ranges are marked. So the next new range for the Bank Nifty is 43,800 to 44,500. Okay, so let me change this 43,800 to 44,500. So that's the new range for the Bank Nifty, and only if we break above this level 44,500, then only the next target of 44,780 is possible. But till the time we are into the box, the view has to be sideways to bullish. Okay, no need to be bearish unless and until we break below the weekly CPR. So currently we are trading above weekly CPR. That is one thing we must not forget. So coming back to Nifty, if we are expecting Nifty to remain in the upper border and probably it can give a breakout, then we must know that which is that stock that can take Nifty higher. So there is one stock, that is Reliance, which is a heavyweight. And one particular observation of the Reliance that I would like to share is that we had already seen that Reliance has a monthly narrow CPR, and today scandal as well as yesterday's scandal has managed to close above this monthly CPR. Though month is yet to over, but price action looking interesting. Also we are above the 50 EMA on all the time frames, probably on a, yes, so we are above 50 EMA on hourly time frame as well as daily time frame. Let me just refresh it. Yeah, so this is daily, we are above 50 MA, and on hourly as well we are above 50 MA, and as also above this narrow monthly CPR. So if Reliance fires up, then it can go up to this high, so that is around 2538 or even the round number 2500. And if Reliance fires up, then for Nifty breakout is quite possible. So that is what the revised view here onwards. I hope that is helpful. Thank you.